Welcome back to Daytime Live. Yes, based on the heat, it's summer. And guess what? We ladies, we want to look our best for the summer, right? Because we have events, we have parties, we have brunches, and just to be at home looking nice. All of this is happening. So joining me today is Shanique Ellington, who is here to give us all the info on the summer makeup looks and to tell us about her very own Le Champ Cosmetics. She has Suwana and Diana, who we'll talk to a little later on, looking very beautiful. Shanique, welcome to Daytime Live. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Now, why did you want to have your own brand of cosmetics?
It was serendipitous. It started during the wake of the COVID pandemic, and it started out as a hobby, as an online website, but people really loved it. And, fast forward 3 years, we have a full brand, a retail store, faces representing the brands, and 15
billboards and things that are seeing.
Yes, so we have expanded to a full gamma company.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
So the name now, Le Champ. Is that it?
Yes.
Yes, I got it. Where did that come from and what does it mean?
So Le Champ Cosmetics is actually my name. Le Champ is my name. And I got that name because of, Jamaican people refer to you as champion because of how you look. Yes. And it got remixed by a French teacher to Le Champ.
Le Champ. I love it. It has this nice exotic sound
Je
to
ne sais
it.
quoi.
Yes, thank you. But guess what now? Even though it has that sound, you're actually fully Jamaican owned as a brand?
Yes, it's a 100% woman owned Jamaican makeup brand.
So you make all of this of them out here?
So it's not made in Jamaica.
Okay.
It's a makeup brand. And
Okay.
it's made in FDA certified facilities.
Yes,
international standards, so it's certified vegan and organic.
What? So that means if it is that you have, a little acne here and there, little problematics, this is a perfect makeup brand for you.
Absolutely. I went vegan because I have sensitive skin. And I wanted to ensure that whatever I'm putting out there, I can use.
Yes, I love it. So, where do you see the brand in the next 5 years?
If you asked me that question 3 years ago when we launched, I would never imagine we were this big. So I have to dream big. And the obvious answer is global.
Yes.
So within the next 5 years, I am looking on more territories. Not just placement within Jamaica, but more territories.
And then you've also now included faces to represent the brand. So we have Suwana. Suwana, I have a question for you. What does it mean to you to actually be a representative, a face of Le Champ?
Okay, so being a Le Champ face, that's someone obviously who's very powerful, someone who's strong, someone who's confident, someone who's self-aware, someone who's poised. She should be able to represent the brand anywhere she goes. That's what it means to be a Le Champ face, someone who's very powerful, strong, poised, confident, all of that.
You have me sold. Diana, I have a question for you. How has it been so far being the face of the brand?
It's been so much fun. It's been fabulous, actually. So we've had a beauty expo, we've done content creation. It's just been so much fun to see how the customers, get excited over the brand too. And we had our sip and shop event as well. And it was a turnout. So it's been a lot of fun.
All right, awesome. All right, so Shanique, walk me through. All right, let's talk about the summer looks.
Yeah.
What should I be looking for?
So for the summer, it's very hot, it's very sweaty.
Yes.
So you want a foundation that's light on the face that can still do the job. And that's where we come in.
Yes, girl.
So we have 15 shades of Le Champ Cosmetics foundations now. 15 shades, so we got the goods.
Yes.
We have 13 shades of pressed powder, which is what you use to set the face. And we have setting powders, lipsticks, concealers, essentially everything to do a full face.
Can I open any?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so which one do you think would work for my complexion then?
So you look like, this looks like the real. You might be the real. So the foundations are named from cities across the world that women of color have an impact.
All right, give me pressed powder from my city now.
Okay, so the pressed powders are actually named from my friends and family.
Really?
Yeah, so everything has a personal touch.
Oh, you're making me fall in love with this.
So I think you might be the closest to the Jove
Okay.
shade.
So Jove is who in your family?
So Jove is the makeup artist that taught me makeup when I was just starting out.
Big up, Jove. Big up. All right. So where do I find your products? Because this is wonderful. I see you have lipsticks as well.
Eyeshadow palette, setting spray. We have the dewy setting spray now, which has been a hit. And remember, for the summertime, you want to have that glow. So we have the dewy setting spray, we have mascaras now, we have lip liners, and for the body, we have the body shimmer.
So for the summer, because I'm noticing Diana has a particular color, Suana is a little bit nude, you have a particular color. What's the color for the summer? What are the colors?
The pigments. People love the pigments, but we like the glossy as well.
Right.
So even though we're in matte right now, Suana, as you can see, has a glossy look.
Can you show me some examples from the lipsticks that you have?
Sure.
Let me see, what would we wear for the summer?
One of our favorites is our glossy.
Oh, this is
perfect.
Nice. Yes.
You know, something you'd keep in your bag.
This would look nice on Odessa.
And then you want, you know, nude, natural tones, soft tones for people like me. Yeah.
Right. This would, okay, great. And then red. Okay, so I'm a red girl.
Can't go wrong with the red.
Okay, thank you.
And we actually have a very popular red. It's the Kiss and Tell.
Ooh.
We added another red.
Kiss, but don't tell when you say kiss and tell.
Yes, we kiss and tell. But we added another red, which is a little more mature. It's a little deeper in tone, and that's what Suana and Diana and myself is wearing right now. So that's called the Love shade.
Love shade and Kiss and Tell. So you can't go wrong with red in summer as well.
Red. Yeah.
This is awesome. No, I want to be able to find your products.
Yes.
Okay. Where can I find your products?
We are firstly online at LECHAMP cosmetics.com. You can find us as well at our retail store, 14 Goodwood Terrace, Kingston 10. That's the turn off from Constant Spring Road,
awesome,
right?
Awesome.
And you can find us on social media at Le Champ Cosmetics, that's Instagram and TikTok.
And you deliver?
We deliver worldwide.
There you go. There you have it. I'm quite proud of you. The first time I saw anything about Le Champ was on that billboard right in New Kingston. I was like, fully Jamaican owned. I like that.
Yeah.
So it's great meeting you guys. Congratulations for being the faces of Le Champ. Yes. You want? What you want? What you want?
I don't know yet.
You just show up
looking at the colors. I mean, I do have a daughter and I do have a wife.
Yeah, something that you can give away to your viewers.
And that red is very pretty.
Yes.
Actually. What's the name of it?
I'm a viewer.
It's called the Love. The red is the Love.
But you know what? If it is, you were here as a part of the studio audience, then you would have gotten something too. So remember, it's every Tuesday, Wednesday
and
Friday, right? You just show up at 32 Lyndhurst Road. Come on down by 12:15, 12:30 p.m. the latest, so that you can get goodies when we have the show. And if you come tomorrow, you can get this. We didn't want to take it, but it's all right. I'm going to leave it for you.
That is it, not for you.
It's not for
Not
me. It's for
time.
you. If you show up tomorrow, it's for you.